Boom shakalaka. It's easy to lose perspective when the market takes a dump like it did today. Well, today's video, we're going to take a look back a year ago today. Yes, December 19th, 2023, when Bitcoin was a mere $43,000, to see how much can happen in just 1 year. Because guess what? A lot of people speculate there's still another year left of this bull run. So let's see what we have yet to come. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin has never done this before and what it could possibly mean for future price. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, it helps out a lot. Now today, fear and greed back up to 73 from yesterday's 65 and last week's 67. People are getting greedy once again as the market is up 4% today. Bitcoin at 43,094, Ethereum at 2250, BNB at 244, XRP 61 cents, Solana $75, Cardano 60 cents, Avalanche $40, and Dogecoin 9 cents. And Bitcoin right now, after breaking through below this support band, right now is testing it. Hopefully that won't turn into resistance, because if it does, that would likely push price down to 38,000 and change. But maybe we'll break through to find support on there once again. And today, Bitcoin transaction fees just hit their highest level of all time, 23.6 million of fees in 1 day. Now, what does that mean? Well, currently the high priority Bitcoin transaction fee is $37. How many people earn less than $37 a day? That's almost 5.5 billion people, way more. Well, just about 2/3 of the world's population, currently excluding from sending a fast Bitcoin transaction unless they want to spend more than a day's income. Well done. Now, why? Oh, why could Bitcoin transaction fees be getting that high? Could it be due to Bitcoin ordinals? Could it be due to lots of people trying to stack their sats while they still can? All of these things definitely possible. And Bitcoin on the race to $1 trillion market cap, right now that price would be roughly $51,000. We are not far from there, getting close to not only the $1 trillion market cap, but also the market cap of silver. And should Bitcoin get towards the market cap of gold, that's close to the $1 million per Bitcoin territory. So definitely possible, especially when you consider how quickly things could change. If you take a look at the number of shorts, the Bitcoin exchange liquidation map, there are a lot more short liquidations to the upside. As you can see by this green graph right here, things could progress very, very quickly as those shorts have to cover their position if the price keeps going up, which could send the price much higher, much more quickly. Now, there is also the possibility that it may not go up. There is evidence based on this and many other things that we are at the mid-cycle top. This is the RSI mid-top channel, which you can see here in green. When this gets up to the level, the RSI gets up to this level, generally that's been a mid-cycle top. We are at that level right now at $45,000. Now, could it be a mid-cycle top like we saw back here in 2012, where it just basically paused there and then goes up? Or are we in for a bigger one like what we saw in 2019, where the price came back down quite dramatically before taking off once again? I don't know, but we are in the pre-halving territory. 4 months before halving, where generally the market goes sideways. Not that big movement for 4 months before halving. However, post-halving bull run, generally massive for Bitcoin. So while things may not be happening over the next few months, after that, they will. The volatility index right now having a bullish cross that has preceded every major bull run for Bitcoin, crossing again right now. Probably nothing, right? Also, the Chand momentum oscillator down here on the bottom has bottomed, and then it comes up, forms a sideways megaphone. Well, we can see here has bottomed, comes back up, forms a sideways megaphone, and last time that led to a massive bull run. It says, let's go. So where does that leave us? We have breakout signals across the board for Bitcoin, breaking through resistance levels that led to massive bull runs. You can see here resistance levels that led to massive bull runs. This could be all up territory for Bitcoin. Based on this right here, the top trend line would be roughly around $250,000 per Bitcoin. Or if you like the concentric circles theory, this predicts roughly $300,000 peak this time around. Or if you like Fibonacci levels, we have this one here, Bitcoin peaking between the 2.272 and 2.414, which predicts roughly $204,000 to $265,000 per Bitcoin. Or if you like Bitcoin rhythms and lines drawn with red and green arrows and orange and blue lines, just like me, well, this predicts, that's right, roughly $600,000 to $900,000 per Bitcoin at the top of this cycle. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.